we're going to fit a replacement lock, and it's going to take this. This is a great tool. This is a morticer, so it'll cut out the mortise for us. Now that's too small, and we'll get it quite precise based on that, and then we'll chisel it out. So old doors will ruin your chisel, so they need constant sharpening. The other thing, here's the tip for you. When you're fitting some of these things, the catch, instead of fitting it in, you've got the back which gets in the way. So you just turn it over and see if that fits flush. If that fits flush, then you know you can prepare your holes for the actual catch. So that's flush now. So then we can prepare the holes and that'll sit in there perfect. This is an unusual lock in that it's longer than the length of a standard chisel. So you can't get to the back of it to clean that out. There's no way that's going in unless you can clean the timber out. So instead of using the rest of the jig, I'm going to set this drill bit up that will reach in, and we'll be able to cut that out. That should do it. Not your normal way around doing stuff, but that'll have to do. Yeah.